Creeping Boobialla, scientifically known as Myoporum Parvifolium, is a versatile and hardy ground cover plant that is native to Australia. With its slow-growing, spreading habit and attractive foliage, it has become a popular choice for landscaping and garden enthusiasts worldwide. This video provides a comprehensive guide on how to successfully grow and care for Creeping Boobialla in your garden. Planting. Climate. Creeping Boobialla thrives in warm temperate to tropical climates and is tolerant of a wide range of conditions. Soil. It prefers well-draining soil but can tolerate a variety of soil types, including sandy, loamy, or slightly acidic soil. Sunlight. This plant thrives in full sun to partial shade. Ensure it receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day. Propagation. Creeping Boobialla can be propagated from cuttings or purchased as nursery-grown plants. Plant them at a spacing of 1 to 2 feet apart, depending on how quickly you want them to fill in. Watering. Establishment. Water regularly after planting until the roots are well established. Once established, it is a drought-tolerant plant and requires watering only during extended dry periods. Watering frequency. Water deeply but infrequently, allowing the soil to dry out between watering sessions. Overwatering can lead to root rot and other fungal diseases. Pruning and maintenance. Pruning. Creeping Boobialla responds well to pruning and can be trimmed to maintain its desired shape. Prune lightly after flowering to encourage a compact growth habit. Weeding. While Creeping Boobialla is known to suppress weed growth, occasional weeding may be necessary to remove any unwanted plants or grasses that may compete for nutrients. Fertilization. This plant is generally low maintenance and does not require frequent fertilization. However, you can apply a slow-release, balanced fertilizer in spring to promote healthy growth. Diseases. While this plant is generally disease-free, it can be susceptible to root rot if overwatered or planted in poorly drained soil. Ensure good soil drainage to prevent this issue. Landscaping uses. Ground cover. Creeping Boobialla is a popular choice for ground cover due to its dense growth habit, which helps suppress weeds and erosion. Slopes and banks. Its ability to tolerate dry conditions and its slow maintenance nature make it an excellent option for planting on slopes and banks. Containers. Creeping Boobialla can be grown in containers or hanging baskets, cascading beautifully over the edges. Creeping Boobialla, Myoporum Parvifolium, is a versatile and easy-to-grow ground cover plant that adds beauty and functionality to any garden or landscape. With its attractive foliage, drought tolerance, and ability to suppress weeds, it has become a popular choice for both residential and commercial landscapes. By following the guidelines provided in this article, you can successfully grow and care for Creeping Boobialla, enhancing the aesthetics and value of your outdoor space.